Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol HWAL. We will take a look here at the daily time frame. But before I go any further, do want to note, please check my disclosure. And I will also say that there's some things that was told to me, and I want to share those with you. But I will also say that although I am being compensated to give my thoughts on this chart, at no point was I told to say, hey, make sure you sound it really good. Make sure you sound it this way or that way. I was just given, hey, we would just like you to do the analysis, get the name out there, and also make a note of something that we believe to be the case, and that way viewers can do what they want with that information. So just want to make that very clear here that yes, this is compensated, but in no way was I told to try to spin things anyway other than how they appear. So the first thing to note, and this is what the third party told me, and the company believes that there is a relatively large short position out there. And that's something to keep in mind, that if there is a short position and if those shorts, can start to cover, then that could really change things around quite a bit. So I did want to mention that. But now let's just look right here at the chart. And yeah, the chart is right now in a downtrend. I mean, you can't refute that. And the quickest way and the easiest way to see the downtrend is just keeping an eye on that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-day simple moving average. And as of now, the downtrend remains in full effect as long as the price remains down below that level. Now, downtrends are made to be broken, so I'm not saying that the price is always going to be in a downtrend or anything like that. I'm just saying that, as of now, the price is in a downtrend. But what's interesting here is that, and I give some credit where credit's due, past couple of times the price has been down around that $1.97 mark. The price has found a low there, and once again today has found a low there. And that low today and this day was on above average volume. So is this some sort of double bottom pattern? That all remains to be seen. But my point here is that although the price bounced and came back down, it would have been way worse had the price come back down and then just continue to drop and drop and drop. But that wasn't the case. The price came back down and did find some support. And not only did it find support, like I said, good, solid, above average volume day. So maybe this is finally some sort of bottom that's forming. Of course, no such thing as a guarantee. But my point here is it's at least a plausible, it's at least a rational thought to have that with the 2 times that the price has now bounced above that area, maybe this is finally some sort of bottom. But yeah, moving forward, that $2 mark, certainly going to be a very important level of support. And then, of course, the very important level of resistance is going to be that 50-period moving average, that purple line there, for the reasons discussed. But if the price can get above that purple line, then that does start to, now that doesn't mean that the price is going to shoot up to $10, but it does at least start to make it a rational thought to think that, okay, maybe things are finally starting to turn around. Maybe the bulls are finally trying to, start to take back control again. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that dynamic. But overall, the chart's got work to do, but what makes it very interesting is the double bottom pattern here, that it's trying to take shape here. And we'll see if this double bottom can get any follow through or not next week, but let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.